on the shores by the sea so wide, where the monkeys worked with all their might, a little squirrel came with a heart so pure. With tiny paws, it was ready to endure. It couldn't lift stones, it couldn't build a bridge, but it carried sand by the ocean's ridge. With every grain it gave its all, serving Shriram, answering the call. Oh, the little squirrel, so small but true, with a heart of gold it knew what to do. It may have been tiny, but its love was vast. Serving Shriram, it gave its heart